Hey guys, welcome back to Carib 21, where we share what's trending in and around the Caribbean. So it is approaching November, and this time of the year is when over 100 million people across the world will be traveling, looking for a destination to enjoy or to get away from the cold weather. And today I'll be talking about St Vincent and the Grenadines, the beautiful island of St Vincent and the Grenadines. In this video, I'll explain to you why St Vincent and the Grenadines should be on your short list of places to see this winter travel season. I will also give you a list of the top 5 places to visit while you're in St Vincent and the Grenadines. So if you manage to click on this video and you're like, wow, I've never heard of this place, St Vincent and the Grenadines before, you're at the right spot. So St Vincent and the Grenadines is a beautiful island in the Eastern Caribbean Sea. And the reason why you might not have heard of St Vincent and the Grenadines, it's because of accessibility. So St Vincent and the Grenadines for decades have not been very accessible to the average traveler, especially from Europe and North America, because of the not having an international airport for decades. But recently, in the past 7 years, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, they have developed a new international airport, and now you can access St. Vincent and the Grenadines from places like Toronto, from Montreal, from Vancouver, from New York, from Miami, from Atlanta, from London. Those are just a few of the places that you can access this beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines from these places. So before that, getting to St. Vincent was a bit of a trip. You would have to go through Trinidad and Tobago. You might have to go through Barbados. So it wasn't very accessible to the average traveler. So now, if you're looking for a place to go and you said, you know, I've been to Dominican Republic, I've been to Jamaica, I've been to the Bahamas, and I'm looking for a new spot to go, I would recommend the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And I'm going to give you a list of reasons why you should make St. Vincent and the Grenadines on your short list for this winter travel season. If you are someone that enjoys being in nature, you love the ocean, you like to be on the beach, sipping a pina colada, you enjoy snorkeling, you enjoy scuba diving, there's no better place in the world to be than St. Vincent and the Grenadines. St. Vincent and the Grenadines is, you wake up every single day in nature. Like, you open your door, nature. It's just like one of these islands that is just surrounded by, as I said, it's surrounded by the Caribbean Sea, and it's just nature all around. If you are looking to travel, like say a wild party vacation, St. Vincent and the Grenadines might not be the place for that type of vacation. But if you're just looking to relax, to unwind, and just to exhale and enjoy nature, St. Vincent and the Grenadines is the place to be. From the Fre Volcano, that climb, a 2-hour climb, getting on to the top of the world, like experiencing the beauty of the Fre, the volcano, to waterfalls like Dark View Falls. And as I said, scuba diving and snorkeling, you'll never find a better place in the world to be. So if those are some of the stuff that you like, St. Vincent and the Grenadines should be the place this winter travel season. And I'm going to give you a list, 5 places, must-see places when you visit the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Number 1 on my list of places to see while you're in St. Vincent and the Grenadines is called the Dark View Falls. Dark View Falls, just the journey getting to Dark View Falls, it's a picturesque, amazing journey. Like you'll have access, you'll see the entire Caribbean Sea on your journey getting to the Dark View Falls. And that climb to the Dark View Falls is so amazing. Like, you're in nature, you're experiencing nature all around you. And here are some clips of the Dark View Falls, and you will see why this is my number 1 place that I say you must see when visiting St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Welcome to St. Vincent and the Grenadines.
Ooh la la.
There you go, guys. So this is the first one. That's a small one. Look at that. Not too busy. Awesome. Yes, guys, so this is what it looks like. Darkview Falls. And this is the small one. We're heading to the next one now, which is like the bigger falls, and then we'll jump in and get wet at that one. This is so amazing. If you love nature, like this is like paradise. Look at that. Wow. Amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh, watch. That's so beautiful. That is so beautiful. This is it. Those are the kids. We're in the middle of the mountain. That is Tiara. Say hi, Tiara. Here we go, guys. This is the big one. Darkview Falls. This is the massive one. As I said, not a lot of people here, so beautiful. Look at that. That is so magical, huh? Oh yeah. Gonna jump in and get wet. Woo! So number 2, the second place on my list of must-see places while visiting St Vincent and the Grenadines is the beautiful island of Bequia. So St Vincent and the Grenadines, the main island, is surrounded by hundreds of islands, which is called the Grenadines. And Bequia is one of those islands where you go for amazing beach experience. You go for snorkeling and you'll see the beautiful island of Bequia. And here are some images of that beautiful island. Number 2. Number 3, the third place that I believe that you have to see while visiting the beautiful island of St Vincent and the Grenadines is the Fre Volcano. So the Fre Volcano, you might have heard of it on the international news because it erupted roughly 5 years ago and it was all over the international news. So the Fre Volcano is a beautiful climb into nature. It's like on top of the world, looking down on creation. That's how you feel when you're in the mountains, climbing to that like over 2 hour climb to get to Fre, and standing on top of the world and just the beautiful panoramic view of the entire Caribbean Sea and just nature itself. So here are some images of the Fre volcano. So this is a magical overhead shot of the Fre volcano in the beautiful island of St Vincent and the Grenadines. Just imagine on top of the mountain with your drone getting these beautiful images from the island. So number four is another one of the Grenadines island. It's called Young Island. Young Island is not as far as Bequia. It's about a 5-minute boat ride, and it's very close to mainland St Vincent and the Grenadines. It is a beautiful, small, just a very small island. There is one hotel, I think, on it, and you can spend the day there having brunch or lunch or dinner, or you could also book the hotel and you open your door to a beautiful small island that's surrounded by, as I said, by the Caribbean Sea. And Young Island is another place that I believe that you have to see while you're in the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And here are some images of Young Island. So number 5, and the final place that I believe that you should see while visiting the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines is called the Windward End of the island. St. Vincent and the Grenadines have two sides of the island. There's the leeward and the windward end of the island. The windward end of the island is where the Atlantic Ocean meets St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and the leeward side, that is where the Caribbean Sea is. So the beauty about the windward side of the island is that you can also access the Fre volcano from that side of the island, and that side of the island you will experience some rich history of the indigenous people of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, the Garifuna tribe. The Garifuna tribe that started in the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and they are now stretched to places like Belize, to places like Guatemala, and you will discover some rich African and indigenous history that you have probably never heard of before. So that would be my recommendation, and here are some clips of the windward side of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Okay guys, so that was it. The top 5 places to visit while you're in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. And this was my travel guide from the beautiful island of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So go ahead, book your ticket, and thank me later. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. And remember, peace. I'm out.